What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally put the back wheels on both of our freaking CVO and our blue and yellow Miami Road Glide. Now, those things are pretty much complete. Furthermore, man, it's been pouring down out here. It's been like flooding and everything around the area, man. So we kind of messed up some stuff, man. I ain't gonna hold you. We messed up some stuff, but it's time to get that thing fixed. Meanwhile, I will bring you guys up to speed on that in a minute. In the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I definitely appreciate you guys, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole ooh and ah giveaway, man, you guys know what time it is. You guys know we're giving away our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, man, second place you get a wide body Hellcat and a matching Harley Davidson, man. So I can't wait for that. Meanwhile, third place, you guys know we got a Road Glide up for grabs. It's either going to be my yellow and blue Road Glide or this blue and green Road Glide right here, man. You never know, but make sure you get in while you can, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. All it takes is a little bit of support, man. You guys never know. We could be pulling up to your door with one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here to Houston taking delivery of either the truck and the bike or the Hellcat and the bike, or you can actually come and take delivery of your bike out here, man. It's all up to you, but you guys got to go support your boy at everythingsregular.com right now to be entered in for a chance to win, man. So with that being said, all the wallets and stuff is still $35 right now, man. So if you guys want a chance at winning something great just for supporting your boy Everything Regular, man, you guys know what to do. Meanwhile, man, it's actually time to get this truck situated, the Silverado. You guys know it was flooding out here and everything, and the water was really above the curb. I was so infatuated with running through the water and everything, I wasn't paying attention, and I hit the curb in the truck, man. So let's check it out. Y'all see what we got. It's actually still raining and all that right now, man. So you guys see how the wheel look. It's got that ka-chow. You see where it broke at. So it's whooped right there. I know if I hit the block around the corner, it's gonna be flooded, but you guys can see a better view this way. But no big deal. You guys know this actually happened when we had a road to freaking Orlando, and we had so much freaking weight on the back. But we about to go get that thing fixed and good to go for the final time, and I can't wait. Get an alignment and everything on that thing, make sure that thing is 100%, because it's actually about to be one of you guys, man. And I actually got something else up my sleeve, so I can't wait to see what's going on with that. In the meantime, man, I'm waiting for my dad to pull up with the part. Then we're gonna go drop this truck off. In the meantime, I got you guys' wallets and all that upstairs getting ready to ship out. These things are freaking heavy as heck. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna get them to the post office, man. So before we get this truck situated, we gotta see how we're gonna get to the post office and get all this stuff situated, because I might just have to drive the truck over to the post office and leave the truck over there or something. I don't really know just yet, but all in all, we will see what's good, man. Let's get to it though. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing loaded up, bag after bag after bag. Inside, we got big bags, not no coin purses, big bags up in here. So you guys are aware that we did mess up our upper control arm yesterday, or a couple days ago. So the shop that we taking this to is actually next door to the post office. So we're gonna drop all the packages off, drop this off at the post office, and get back to the crib. So that should be cool. We'll be able to get this thing back in order. Alrighty, guys, so this is actually where I freaking messed up the truck the other day. It's still riding smooth. We got no gas in this thing. I don't know what I was thinking, but we gotta go through the freaking flood again, man. So hopefully we get through this thing and not get stuck, because that would suck. But all in all, I'm gonna try to get this show on the road, man. Look at this. Oh, it's not as bad as it was yesterday, so we should be good. It's not as bad as it was, man. Not as bad as it was. That's cool. We actually just flying right through it, man. And just like that, guys, we done made it to the freaking post office on them things. Got all the wallets shipped out, man. So if you guys are wondering where your wallet at, man, it is on the way. You don't have to email me no more. It's in USPS hands now, man. It's a movie. Now that we got those packages shipped out, man, we about to drop the truck off, get that control arm switch, because we got a new one right here, man. So I'm about to drop this off, get that put on, and get this thing situated, gang. It's up. Pops just pulled up in the blackety black. So you know what time it is. Alrighty, guys, next morning here. We don't have the dually truck back yet, but it is ready. So I'm actually waiting on a Uber right now to go pick that thing up. We'll get it back here and check it out. It's still freezing out here, and it still might rain today, man. So we're gonna be taking it easy in the truck. Not even easy, but we're just gonna be paying attention to what we're doing now, man. So we about to hop in the Uber, go pick this thing up, come back, and see what we can do. I've been trying to pull these bikes out, but man, it's been so cold out here, and then the weather's just been so trash. I will be in a flood on a Harley, and I'm not trying to do that, man. So we're gonna get this show on the road, man. If you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It's time to go, yay, yay. Just like that, hopped out the Uber into the truckaroo. Got the new part on there, back in action, ready to go. Let's see how we coming up. Travel booming and been like a nut at
I ordered my wallet.
You got your wallet? My guy, I appreciate it.
Roger Paredes, that's me, brother.
For sure, I got you, man. It's all love. I appreciate the support, man.
And I ordered some. I bought some from one of your advertising people.
Oh, okay, bet. I appreciate that, man. It's love.
That'll help a little bit.
Good looking out, man. So he in for the truck too, y'all, man. He said, "This is my truck. You want this one?"
Elite, baby.
Hey, man, I don't take leave. He's gonna be up here big chilling just like this, man, every morning, man. I appreciate you, man. What's your name again?
Roger.
Roger, nice meeting you, man.
Brother. Have a good one.
Hey, you too, man. Have a good day. Y'all see what's going on. My guy Roger at Auto Check Elite just got in to win the Big Daddy Yo. He wouldn't have got in if he didn't think the truck was great, man. So y'all see here first. We big sliding on them Daddy Yo's. Meanwhile, we did make it back home. Went through the same puddle we broke it on. But we made it back home, got that thing lined up, back in the lineup. Then we actually stopped and got a heat gun so we can take them red letters off the forks of the CVO, man. So I'm gonna pull this out a little bit. Actually, I probably don't even gotta pull it out. I can just use the extension cord. So I'm gonna get this off real quick and we'll see how this heat gun works, man. So let's pull this thing out and see what's good. Alrighty, guys, we got our Ace Digital heat gun, temperature on super high. Let's see if it works out. All right, 5 minutes in and we got pretty much all of it off. Almost there. Just like that. She's all off, looking good. CEO for the win, baby. Heat gun came into play today. It's a movie now. It's a movie. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you, man. You guys seen, we finally got our freaking Silverado all fixed up, man. We got the suspension and all that stuff tackled. Got that thing running smooth and back on the road, man. I'm loving that truck now. Man, that thing feels so much smoother, man. I can't wait to hop back in that thing because it's still pouring down and we might hit some more puddles today. But the thing that's gonna be different today, I'm gonna be paying a lot more attention, man. More than that, we finally got that thing fixed and good to go. Can actually go pick up another bike now. We did get the letters off the CVO, so that thing is looking really good and really clean now. So none of those red letters and stuff up front, which looks amazing. I can't wait. Meanwhile, man, with it being so cold out here, it's been hard to get in the garage. But furthermore, most of our bikes and stuff is done. We are waiting on a transporter to come pick up 2 bikes so we can get on down to Jacksonville, Florida and Atlanta, Georgia, man. So stay tuned. We'll be headed to your city next, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a whole ooh and ah giveaway, man, you guys know we are giving away our 2020 Silverado Big Daddy dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike in the truck, the bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. Meanwhile, we got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special, man. So not only do you get a bike in the truck for first place, you get a Hellcat wide body and a Road Glide for second place. Meanwhile, third place, man, you guys know we keep the Road Glides on deck, so you will be getting a Road Glide for third place, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you an Everything Regular wallet. They're only $35, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Where can you find a Silverado 3500 for $35 paired together for first place with the CVO? You ain't gonna find it, man. So go ahead and head over there to everythingsregular.com right now, man. Go support your boy Everything's Regular, because that's all it takes is a little bit of support, man. You never know. We could be pulling up to your door with one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here taking delivery of one of these trucks, man. You guys know what time it is. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Without further ado, man, I'm about to get back up in here and get back to work and get the rest of these orders shipped out. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one. It's all love, gang. Peace.